With our new Vacc-Safe range, we have made it simpler than ever to check and reset your maximum and minimum temperatures for your VS420P and VS350P. First, to read your maximum temperature, just press the up arrow once and you'll see max flash on the display, followed by the maximum temperature. To read your minimum temperature, it works the same way. Just push the down arrow once, you'll see the display flash min and then show the minimum temperature. To reset these temperatures, simply hold down the up arrow and the tick button for 3 seconds. You'll hear 2 beeps and that means the temperatures have been reset. It's that easy. Thank you for choosing Vacc-Safe and have a great day.